Dealing with customers effectively is crucial for the success of any business. Here are some tips to help you provide excellent customer service. Active listening. Pay close attention to your customers and make them feel heard. Listen actively. Clarify their needs and ask relevant questions to gain a better understanding of their concerns or requirements. Empathy and understanding. Put yourself into a customer's shoes and try to understand their perspective. Show empathy by acknowledging their emotions and frustrations. Let them know that you genuinely care about resolving their issues. Patience and calmness. Patience and calmness. Remain patient even if the customer is upset or difficult. Stay calm and composed and avoid getting defensive or confrontational. Maintain a professional demeanor throughout the interaction. Clear communication. Communicate, clarify, and effectively, both verbal and in writing. Use simple and concise language and avoid technical jargon. Provide information, instruction, and solutions in a manner that is easy for the customers to understand. Problem saving. Take proactive proactive approach to address customer issues. Offer appropriate solutions or alternatives to resolve their problems. If you are unsure about a solution, let them know that you will investigate the methods and follow up with them promptly. Timely response. Respond to customer inquiries or complaints in a timely manner. Even if you can't provide an immediate resolution, acknowledge their message and inform them of the next steps or expected timeframe for resolution. Professionalism and respect. Treat every customer with respect and professionalism, regardless of their behavior or attitude. Avoid taking things personally and remain focused on providing assistance and maintaining positive customer experience. Going the extra mile. Whenever possible, go above and beyond to exceed customer expectations, offer additional support, and provide personalized recommendations or offer discounts or perks as a gesture of goodwill. Learn from feedback. Take customer feedback seriously and use it as an opportunity to improve your product, services, and overall customer experience. Appre- Appreciate appreciate both positive and negative feedback and take appropriate action to address any areas for improvement. Trainings and support ensure that your customer service team is well trained and equipped with the necessary knowledge and tools to handle customer inquiries and resolve issues effectively. Provide ongoing training and support to help them develop their customer service skills. Remember, delivering exceptional customer service requires consistency, empathy, and a customer-centric approach. By prioritizing prioritizing the needs prioritizing the needs and satisfaction of your customer, you can build strong relationships, foster loyalty, and contribute to the overall success of your business. Dealing with customers effectively is crucial for success of any business. Here are some tips to help you provide excellent customer services. Active listening. Pay close attention to your customers and make them feel heard. Listen actively, clarify their needs, and ask relevant questions to gain a better understanding of their concerns or requirements. Empathy and understanding. Put yourself in a customer's shoes and try to understand their perspectives. Show empathy by acknowledging their emotions and frustrations. Let them know that you genuinely care about resolving their issues. Patience and calmness. Remain patient. Even if the customer is upset or difficult, stay calm and composed. And avoid getting defensive or confrontational. Maintain confrontational. Maintain a professional demeanor throughout the interaction. Clear communication. Communicate clearly and effectively, both verbally and in writing. Use simple and concise language and avoid technical jargons. Provide information, instructions, and solutions in a manner that is easy for the customers to understand. Problem solving. Take a proactive approach to address customer issues. Offer appropriate solutions or alternatives to resolve their problems. If you are unsure about the solution, let them know that you will investigate the matter and follow up with promptly. Time responses respond to customers' inquiries or complaints in a timely manner, even if you can't provide an immediate resolution, acknowledging their message and inform them of the next steps or expected time frame or resolution. Professionalism and respect. Treat every customer with respect and professionalism, regardless of their behavior or attitude. Avoid taking things personally and remain focused on providing assistance and maintaining a positive customer experience, going the extra mile and where possible, go above and beyond to exceed customer expectations, offer additional support, provide personalized recommendations, or offer discounts or perks as a gesture of goodwill. Learn from feedback. Take customer feedback seriously and use it as an opportunity to improve your product, services, and overall customer experiences. Appropriate both positive and negative feedback and take appropriate action to address any areas of our improvement. Training and support. Ensure that your customer service team is well trained and equipped with the necessary knowledge and tools to handle customer inquiries and resolve issues effectively. Provide ongoing training and support to help them develop their customer service skills. Remember, delivering special customer service requires consistency, ability, and a customer-centric approach to providing the needs and satisfaction of your customers. You can build strong relationships, foster loyalty, and contribute to the overall success of your business.